You too. Bringing y'all, well, it ain't no update, but it's something that I have bought. It's something to do, it's something for the car, something I got to do with the car. That's how I'm going to put it. So, today is, I have bought a new air, a new air compressor. Brand new. It came this morning. So I'm gonna let y'all check it out. Hey, brand new. Brand new air compressor. So I'm about to open it up. We both gonna see it. So that's why I'm recording. So we both gonna see how this thing look. Let's see here. I think I might gotta get my tortoise stand. I got a short stand for my hand because my other one had broke. So here go my tortoise stand. So I'm about to set this up, but we both can open up the box. Oh. I ain't trying not to cut y'all off. That's gonna be a problem. Let me move my hand. So this gonna be like a little short video. This is showing y'all I have bought air compressor. Brand new one. So y'all know what that means. I'm about to get started doing my thing on. Oh, excuse me. Body work. Priming it up. This right here is probably gonna be my new little thing right here. What y'all think? So, so I already had ordered the hoses, 2-3 spray guns, some hoses, spray guns, and the blower gun to blow all the dust and stuff off. So Let me set your phone. All right, I'm gonna cut you off and cut you back on.